You gonna push the fishy in the fish tank? Push it! Push it! Yay! Do more. Do more, Aiden. It goes the other way. You gotta push it down, Aiden. You can do it. You can do it.
Come on, let's play.
Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Push it down, Aiden.
That was a yellow fish. Thank you. I wonder what color is next. Please insert it.
Yay! You did it!
I love having new friends.
You gonna do more, Aiden?
What color is next? Please insert another fish.
Push it down real hard. You gotta push it down real hard, Aiden. You gonna try a different fish?
Let's play.
There you go. Yay!
That was a pink fish. I'm having so much fun.
Do more.
What color is next? Please insert another fish.
You gotta push it down real hard, Aiden. Gonna try a different one? Maybe you should turn it around. Oh.
Let's play.
Aiden, it doesn't go that way. You gotta turn the fishy around.
Come on, let's play. Hope we can play again real soon. Bye-bye.
What is that face? Push the fishy in the fish tank, Aiden. Yay!
Hi, I'm the Color Fun Fishbowl. Let's have some fun. Let's learn about colors. Please insert a fish. Let's play. Come on, let's play.
Aiden, which way does the fishy go? How do you put it in the box?
Hope we can play again real soon. Bye-bye.
Are you saying bye-bye? Yeah, there you go.
I'm the Color Fun Fishbowl.
You do more.
Let's have some fun. Let's learn about colors.
Yay! Come on. Push it down.
That was a black fish. That was a yellow fish. I love having new
All done. You want me to open it and get the fishies out? Okay.